How to make money with buy per click, and can you actually get $500 per day by simply clicking on ads? Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this video we will be reviewing buy per click. Is it actually worth the time, and how much can you expect to make? As you can see right here, I'm currently on their website, and if I were to tap on their withdrawal transactions, you can see that persons are making money with buy per click. This person got paid $325 today, and another person got paid $104, and the transaction history goes on and on. You can see that another person got paid $378 recently. So there are persons that are making money with this website. But how does it work? Well, by simply tapping on join us, you'll be able to watch a 10-second ad, and by watching the 10-second ad, you'll be getting paid 20 cents. But with their free plan, you're only able to watch one ad per day, so you'll be earning 20 cents daily, which will work out to $72 yearly. But they have paid plans. So for example, let's say you paid $33 for the yearly plan right here. You'll be able to watch 4 ads, and that will make you 80 cents daily and work out to $288 yearly. And they have more expensive plans that will earn you even more each day. As you can see here, the plans go up to even $10,000. So you'll be paying $10,000 for the year, and you'll be able to earn $500 daily, and it would work out to $180,000 yearly. Now, how does this work, and how come they are able to pay you so much? Well, according to buy per click, they are able to pay you this amount because advertisers or persons that own websites pay them an equivalent of 22 cents or even more to promote their website, and they give you a percentage, 20 cents per view, and they keep a cut. That's how it works. As you can see right here, how do we work? As an advertiser, you can list your website and get traffic for 22 cents per click, and you can earn 20 cents per click as an earner and increase earnings. So that's basically it. And they said that you will be able to earn even more if you sign up with their affiliate marketing plan. You can earn 10% commissions and weekly incentives as an affiliate marketer. So with buy per click, actually, I do not think that this is a good plan to think about to earn money in the future, as you'll be paying a lot of money and you're not certain that you'll be able to reap that money, because to be honest, I don't think that they have a lot of advertisers, and I don't think that this is a feasible idea to work with and to make money in the future. But you can sign up to their free plan if you want to make a bit of money, or if you want to take the risk, you could sign up to their $33 plan per year and see if you can earn money that way. But it is very risky, and the reason why you see they have such a high ranking and such high ratings is because the persons that have their referral program, they'll be able to earn a lot of money from their referral plan and also from their affiliate link. So obviously, if persons are making a lot of money by referring you to buy per click, they are going to give it a high ratings so that you'll tap on their referral link and sign up also. So that's the reason why you see it is so highly rated. But it is very risky, so it is completely up to you if you would like to sign up to one of their paid plans. But I don't think that this is a good idea on how to make money online in the long term. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.